What's up, fam? So I'm going to be going over the best BFG mining strategy for BetFury. I find this to just print BFGs for me, and I've been running this for like a week now, non-stop. Sometimes it crashes, but I have been able to farm quite a bit of BFG. So let's get right into it. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and ring that notification bell so you get up to date to all my time-sensitive material. And obviously, this is not financial advice. I actually have not invested any money into BFG or the BetFury platform, but I'm actually at 0.663 BNBs. I will be taking some out when I decide to cash out half and then reinvest, and then I will keep printing this until I get to 1 and then 2, and then I'll take out half. And so every time I 4x my position, I'll take out half, and I'll just keep rolling that model out. As far as this mining strategy, all I'm doing is dice, and I've been able to earn from pretty much zero. Like I said, I have no deposits whatsoever in here. So if I were to go to transactions history and pull this up, you will see deposits. And if we do this to, like, I don't know, 2000, I don't know when this program started, but there's no deposits. I have not added any money in here. And so as you can see, it's like, yeah, since the beginning, I haven't added any money in here. So I don't know how long their platform has been around, but yeah, no deposits. So this is all through BetFury that I've earned through this. I don't know why it switched, but not too bad, I think. That's like about 150 bucks for just letting this run. And what I do is I use, I'll include all these links in the description, so definitely check out those links to sign up for both BetFury and this calculator that I'm using. But essentially I go to 8%. I take the number here, so 6.4, I'll do probably like 620. Make sure there's no extra zeros. I'll do 9% here, and I'll start. And this is what has got me a lot. So this is the strategy that I'm using. I'm just putting up 8 here. I do use this calculator to figure out what my earnings should be and how many times I can be wrecked. So I have a pot of 670, and I'm going to be betting 640, 99, 8.1. So those are the numbers I like to kind of be around. I've included all these links down below. So to sign up for BetFury and to use this calculator, they're in the links in the description. So definitely check those out. But I've been able to pretty much make $150 from BetFury without any initial deposit. I have deposited no money into my BetFury account. If I go to transaction history and go to deposits, you can see there has been no money whatsoever ever added to my account. So this is just on house money with pretty much making these YouTube videos and using the money from the house. So, and how do I get that is from boxes. And as you can see here, if there's no boxes, I usually just refresh it, and that should pretty much fix it up. And so I started with these. I just would keep using those for about a day until I felt like I had a good enough pot. Typically around 1,000 to 10,000 is what you should be shooting for in these lower numbers. That way you have enough to roll with. That's how I would start. And as you can see here, I will be able to get out my cake here in a bit that I'm just letting grow within this platform. So definitely a good way to start off in crypto if you want to just use the platform here on BetFury. I've included links down below using this dice strategy. I've invested no money whatsoever, as you can tell, and I'm just earning BFGs. So now I'm up to 1,112, and it looks like I'm earning about maybe one every 20 minutes maybe. So however long it takes to get to maybe one every 10 minutes. I don't know. It seems pretty quick since I'm rolling with higher amounts now. So we'll see. I mean, this is seem up to 10,000, 11,000, 12,000. So this will go up pretty quickly. And then once I win, it will reset. So I started with 600 and now it's up to 30,000. So we'll see if we get liquidated here. It'll be the first time in quite a while, but it's the name of the game. So now I'm up to 0.1. It's going up rather quickly. We could lose it all right here. And we won. So that was very scary. As you can see, luckily I had enough losses in a row that could make up for that. But I was a little nervous there. That was pretty scary. But I did make quite a bit of BFG off of that. So yeah, so just make sure that your numbers can sustain 99 losses or more. I might want to drop this down to maybe 2-0. That's about the same. So that's the name of the game. I mean, it does pretty well. I've just starting this. I have not been liquidated, and that's how much I've gained from this. So definitely try it out. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button. Until next time, peace.